Welcome to the amazing Digital Circus! Here at our great circus there is lots to see. It's random, loony. I know that this isn't where you want to be. Don't go crazy.
You think it's all just a dream?
A really good one!
But please don't rip at the seams.
Let's have fun! You wish to flee, but you are here in paradise upon it, make believe! This digital land, massive and grand, adventures, games at the palm of my hand. I'm glad that you came. What is your name? I'll snap my fingers, make sure that you all don't go insane.
How do we get out of this phase?
Look, I made a room for you.
Why can't I take this thing off my face?
Welcome to your new place.
Okay, Pomni, time to give a tour. Here's a tent that is full of fun surprises. So many games. Open up every door. Here's the grounds drowning lake as water rises. Carnival rides and flies galore. Night or day, everything will all be okay. The choice is yours. A cosmic buffet, but wait, here's the void, which is endless, do as I say. Better stay away, or you might one day pay.
King, we're pretty weak.
A bug collection, I think.
This is your new home, try to stay calm, take my hand and come follow my lead. This digital land, massive and grand, adventures, games at the palm of my hand. I'm glad that you came, what is your name? I'll snap my fingers, make sure that you all don't go insane.
Best to forget your life, don't look back, flashbacks of memories all from our past. Keep your mind occupied so you last. You are now part of the circus cast. Daily adventures so we forget about our families and loving pets. Is your mind melted and jumbled yet from the headset?
Fond memories on the thread. Here's the madness within my head. A virus now embedded in the lives that we led. This digital land is cursed. Who created this? Who's the first? Hard to tell here which is worse. Believing lies or let my brain burn.
I can never let these people leave. Why they're having so much fun. Good adventures so they all remain pleased, so they never want to run. Every day there's something new, random every time. Is that really such a bad try? This digital land, massive and grand, adventures, games at the palm of my hand. I'm glad that you came, what is your name? I'll snap my fingers, loop this chorus one more time. This digital land, massive and grand, adventures, games at the palm of my hand. I'm glad that you came, what is your name? I'll snap my fingers, snap my fingers, snap my fingers. Whoops, this track is kind of long, it seems to go just on and on. Just play again when you think of this song. So long. Just don't try to find the exit. Thanks.